We know that people were here making a living along the North Saskatchewan River at least 7,500 years ago. People have used its resources, used its access and transportation for thousands and thousands of years.
In the 1850s to 1930s, there was a big population explosion in Edmonton, and so with that, people settled as close as they could to the river source. Human waste was deposited there. There were coal mines and dumps right on the riverbank, so the water quality was very, very poor at that time.
Back when I was a student in the 70s, I would sometimes go fly fishing below the U of A campus. People would laugh at me. People wouldn't touch the river. It was a sewer.
We know that the urban regions of Alberta just keep growing. They're growing very quickly. And so we know there's an appetite to build more, to develop more.
One of the things I think people don't appreciate about the North Saskatchewan River is how diverse it is. From the headwaters downstream, you move from very different ecosystems, and these natural systems are all interconnected and function in a way that support each other.
The amount of biodiversity of both the river and the surrounding environment is vastly higher than most people have any idea of. When you get into the details, you realize, oh my goodness, there's a lot going on here.
It's very easy for us to be sort of separated from nature and think we're separated from nature, but ultimately this is our water, this is what we drink, this is what sustains us, and we have to make sure that we're managing it in such a way that we're really thinking about that all the time.
We are born in water, and we're made up 60% of water. You can last maybe 3 days without water. So water is very sacred, and we have to respect it, and we need to protect it.
We don't live apart from the watershed. We're a really important piece of the watershed, and so all of the actions we take and all of the decisions we make impact the watershed, and those can be positive impacts or they can be negative impacts.
We have built a society and a culture and an infrastructure in Alberta that's adapted to the climate of the past. And so we should really be anticipating how different the climate will be in the future and plan accordingly.
Governments follow people. They don't lead. They jump on the bandwagon when they see what direction it's going. Citizen groups, grassroots, the weight of opinion matters. Show that cultural change is happening. To be effective, you have to be present. Be present.
We're all stewards, every one of us. You don't have to be Indigenous to be a steward. I used to hear the saying, I inherited this land from my grandfathers. No, I'm borrowing it from my great-great-great-grandchildren, those yet to come. If I look at it from that perspective, it's a different point of view. Then I'm thinking about preserving what is here now and then for the future generations.